Hello everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Vanessa and today I'll be showing you how to make lucky origami stars. You can make them to fill up jars like this to make really cool decorations, or you can just do them for fun because they're super easy and super quick to do. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna need a piece of paper. It can be any kind of paper. It can be white paper. I have some scrap paper. If you have some color paper, that's okay as well, or even some magazines. And we're also gonna need a pair of scissors. So first we're gonna cut the paper into thin strips. I like to typically go 1 centimeter, but you can go skinnier or thicker if you would like. It would just make 4 different sizes of stars. I just find that 1 centimeter strips allow me to make some pretty standard size stars. It should look like this. If the ends are different widths, don't worry about it, it's okay. So first we're gonna fold this piece of paper like this in a 45-degree angle, and then this little piece here we're gonna take it around back and fold it again like this. This is gonna make like a 90-degree angle, and then we're gonna fold this piece again like so and tuck it inside. And I'm gonna take that little end and slide it through like this until you can see a little end. Right now it doesn't look perfect, but it is okay. And now we're just gonna fold it in like this and then do this. And we're just gonna keep going. And it doesn't really matter which side you fold it each time. The paper is just gonna go wherever it wants to go. So right now you see we're slowly forming a pentagon shape. And it's important that you don't squish the paper down too much. Remember to keep it kind of loose so we can fold it later. So now that we've reached the end of our paper, we're gonna tuck it in into this little pocket right here. There's like a little piece where you can slide your paper underneath, and it looks like this. And we're gonna pinch each side like this. And there you go, you have a star. If you don't want to use scissors, you can always just rip a piece of paper like this. I just find that cutting the paper, I can control the size of the strips better, but with some practice, your strip will look just as good ripped. If you want to decorate the stars in any way, you can. I have some marker, I have a Sharpie, and I have some pens. You can use any kind of household object, pens, pencils, anything you want to decorate these paper. So I'm just gonna do something really simple. I'm just gonna draw a line straight across. And for the Sharpie, I can do something. And for the pen, I can also do something like this. The designs don't have to be perfect. It'll just be on the outside of the star, so it'll look more decorated and interesting. So I'll just show you what this will look like when it's folded. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually really quick to make. You can see here that because I used a thicker piece of paper this time, the star is gonna be bigger. Sometimes you'll get a little end over here, and it's okay. All you need to do is just fold the piece in again. So now we're gonna pinch. And here it is. So here I just have a empty clear pasta sauce jar. Any type of jar will do, and if you don't have a jar that's clear, a shoebox or any kind of container will do. It will still look just as cool. All you gotta do now is just fill up the jar. And once you make enough, you can have something that looks like this. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed learning about how to make these lucky origami stars, and I hope that you can repurpose some jars or just any kind of containers to make some really cool decorations. I hope that you all stay happy, creative, and healthy. Bye!